Hello, this is Muhammad Asad Ali Khan. I welcome you all again in this exciting course. Uh, in this very first video, I will try to explain what is bar bending and what is bar bending schedule. In order to understand bar bending schedule, it is very important that you have a good idea about how to read the drawing. I will recommend you to make the drawing, generate the drawing by yourself. In order to become a good professional, you need to know not superficial information, rather you need a lot of hard work. Let's move on. We are going to start what is bar bending schedule. So I just explain in very short and precise way. So it is not important how you are explaining the things, because if you understand the thing, you definitely will able to explain it your own way. So I have mentioned a list of the bars that carries following information. What is meant by bars? Bars are steel bars which are using in a concrete in order to maintain the structure and the load of the building. Okay, so what are these lists consist of? Number first is type of bar. What kind of bar we are going to use? Before there was different type of steel bar was using, but nowadays it is deformed steel used in the construction industry, and the shape of this is the circular. Then we are talking about the size of the bar. So size of the bar also starting from the 4 mm is up to 40 mm standard dia of the bar. So it can also be vary according to the requirement of the project. So this can also be changed, but for general consideration you will keep the mind 4 into 40 mm diameter. Then there is the dimensions, that we need to know the dimensions of the steel bar, because in order to quantify anything we must need dimensions each and every face. Later on I will discuss all these points one by one, so I just gave you an overview of all this. Then there is a length. Length means the length of the bars which we are using in the structure. So in order to find the length of the bar, we are using different kind of softwares, and I will use AutoCAD to find the length of the bars. And the next is mass of the steel bar. So this is the most important point, where all these calculation bring us a logical conclusion of mass of the steel bar. Mass of the steel bar is must be in the kg or pounds if you are working in the FPS system, but usually we are using in MKS system, so it must be in kilograms. And number 6, shapes showing on the drawing as per design. And this point is important in a way where one need to know what kind of drawing we are required to in order to get the bar bending schedule. So this is all important aspect of bar bending schedule, which one need to keep in his mind when they are going to attempt to get the bar bending schedule.